Hello everybody, today I will show you how to verify your Binance account, or I will show you how I will show you the verification process. Easy and quick. Let's do it. So as you see, it's my Binance account. As you see, it's not verified. I will click here verification failed to take me to another page. So right now what I have to do, click here try again. And right now, as you say, choose my document or my country first, then I will choose one of the type of the document. For example, for me, I want to choose the national ID card. I will click on it, then I will click continue, and it will take me to a page. I will take a photo for my ID document. Or so right now the camera will do it again. And I will wait a little. And as you see here, the document is uploaded. Click continue. And right now I have to verify my face. Click continue, then it will open on your camera. So here I will
nod your head. Good. Open your mouth. Good. Shake your head.
And as you see right now, guys, it's verified. Click close. And that's all. So as you see, the verification process, it's very easy. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.